to play with Uncle Joe, or are you going to stare at the camera?
What? Do I look like Mommy? I'm not. Here, sit here. Wave. Wave. Uh-oh.
Play shy.
You can raise the IQ of the phone you already own with one.
Where are you going? You have to play with the carousel. You have to play with the carousel. Come on.
Meow. You want to go back? What? Oh, you spit on it. Go sleep.
I want attention, Uncle Joe.
Well, come here.
Get off the table. Ooh, if Daddy sees that on the table. What are you?
Oh.
His belly.
Where's Uncle
No,
Joe's belly?
don't rub Uncle Joe's belly.
Nice.
Where's his belly?
Nice.
Don't do that.
Where's his glasses? Where's his nose?
Right?
Where's his ears? Where's his mustache?
Where's his teeth?
Where's his tongue?
Purchased their 3,200 square foot home in 1988. They have an adjustable rate mortgage. Is this information about your house correct? The first figure is the amount you pay for your house.
Hey. Can you give Uncle Joe a whisker burn?
And the third figure is the amount of
Whisker.
Daddy gives whisker burn. She likes that.
She likes that?
No whisker burn? He wouldn't give you whisker burn? Torture.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Can you give Uncle Joe a kiss?
Laura, come play with the carousel. Where's the carousel? Oh, where's the horses?
Wealth of information about an individual's finances, you can even estimate their income.
No, leave the top alone now. Just turn from the bottom.
To obtain
Remember how I showed you?
using a personal
Turn from the bottom, clockwise,
through public files from the privacy of
and
your
counterclockwise. Nice, nice, nice. Good.
about real estate
Yeah.
transactions, credit
Whee!
records to anyone with a home computer.
Whee!
The fire.
Uncle Joe's too well.
The fire. Rock.
Turn the TV off.
I want it all. Here, come on, we're going to play with the watch. Can you sing it? It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world. You want to do it again? Do it again? Press the button. Press the button. Press. Right there. Who is that? Mickey who? It's on my other hand. You want me to press it? Yeah, let me finger. Do you know the words? girl. Okay. Good girl. Yeah. Alright, she's so strong. She's so strong.
Doing push-ups?
Are you doing push-ups? Are you doing push-ups? Are you doing push-ups? Huh? Let me see. No. Push belly on the floor. Push belly on the floor. Good girl. You put your ass there. There you go. There you go. Yeah, she's such a good girl. Yeah, she's got it. Yes, you can make popcorn. She's such a good girl. She's such a good girl. And she's ticklish too. And she's ticklish too. All right, you ready?
More Uncle Eddie.
Okay. More Uncle Eddie. Kids love chiropractic. Kids love chiropractic. Yes. Let me see. Still. Right there, just like that. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, she's good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, she's such a good girl. Oh, yeah. Give me a kiss. Yeah, they don't make any noise on little kids. Yeah, let me see. Let me see. Are you doing Mama Dedos? Are you doing Mama Dedos like Mommy did?